A very good morning to everyone. On the behalf of Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society, Professor Ram Meghe Institute of Technology and Research, Badnera, Amravati, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, I, Ms. Ruchita Kale, welcome you all in 1 week AICT IST approved online short-term training program on tools and techniques for efficient and effective teaching learning. In this session, I am going to briefly discuss the key features of the project funded by Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India. The name of the project is National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, commonly abbreviated as NPTEL. First, first one is what is my NPTEL? The NPTEL project was initiated by seven Indian Institute of Technology, which are Bombay, Delhi, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, Guwahati and Roorkee, along with the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. NPTEL project is based on the concept of Massive Open Online Course, which is abbreviated as MOOCs. MOOCs, the long form of MOOCs is Massive Open Online Courses. Is essentially an asynchronous platform and process of teaching. Its teaching resource may include pre-recorded lectures, resource video material, lecture notes, assignments and quiz, which are usually online and provide a self-assessment in a regular interval during learning. Now, let us understand NPTEL MOOCs. NPTEL began offering open online course in March 2014 along with certificates from the IITs and IISc for those who complete the courses successfully. The video courses on NPTEL platform are created in all the major branches of engineering and physical science at the undergraduate, postgraduate level as well as the management courses at the postgraduate level. There are the certain objectives of NPTEL MOOCs. Under that, first, anyone outside the IIT system should be able to do an online certification course from NPTEL and get the certification from the IITs. Thus, IIT are reaching out and taking the education to the home of people through this initiative. Okay, these courses are open for anyone to access. These NPTEL courses are the free of cost. So anyone who is interested in learning gets access to quality content which also include discussion with the content creator and access to assignment for the self-testing. The faculty who are currently offering the courses are from the IITs or from the reputed institute. Now, I will demonstrate how to access the NPTEL portal and its feature. Let us go to the web browser first. I am using Google Chrome. That type NPTEL in the search box. Okay, NPTEL, and press enter. So you will see the link as a first result of a search with the site address nptel.ac.in. nptel.ac.in. So click on that link. Then it will open the home page of NPTEL. Home page displays the logos of IITs and IISc along with the feature news and NPTEL other initiatives. Now I will focusing on the two initiatives under that. First one is a GET preparation and second one is your NPTEL online courses. Let us start with clicking on the GET preparation link. Under that, under the GATE preparation, the various GATE preparation papers are available of various streams from 2011. Okay, see here, first biotechno biotechnology. There are the various branches: biotechnology, chemical engineering, civil engineering, and computer science and engineering, and so on. Okay. Now I will click on the 2011 paper of computer science and engineering. It will open the GATE paper in new tab. On the right hand side, of each question, the link is provided as a NPTEL reference. On clicking that link, we are directed on related lecture. By referencing that lecture, we get a hint to solve that particular question. So in this way, NPTEL helps to prepare a GATE. Yes. Now we will see how to select and enroll the NPTEL course. Again, going back to the home page of NPTEL. Back to the home page of the NPTEL. Click on the NPTEL online courses. Click on NPTEL online courses link. It opens the web page, at the top of which we can see the various tabs: candidate login, course instructor login, courses, domain, information on NPTEL semester, live session. From them, click on the courses tab. Click on the courses tab. It opens the web page that shows the disciplines. It opens the web page that shows the discipline, from which we have to click on branch under which courses of your interest is available. For example, I am from computer engineering. That's why I am interested in course Big Data Computing from Computer Science and Engineering. Big data computing from Computer Science and Engineering. So I will explain the process to register for it. Now click on the enroll now link. Click on the enroll now link of Big Data Computing. Then it will open the SWAYAM course page of selected subject, on which we can see the subject name, faculty name, and HEATS working institute, and the brief information about the course. Again, it shows the prerequisite for the particular course, then industry support. Again, it shows the course layout. The total course is of 8 week. Week 1 to week 8 schedule is given. Again, also books and references is also given. And this course Big Data Computing is a AICTE approved FDP course. Okay, this course start from 17 August 2020 and end date is 9 October 2020. Exam date 18 October 2020 and enrollment for the exam is 17 August 2020. Okay. SWAYAM is a program initiated by the Government of India and designed to achieve the 3 cardinal principles of education policies, which are access, equity, and quality. Okay, this is all about SWAYAM. Further, for the registration of the course, click on the join button. Click on the join button, join tab, which is available on the right hand side of the course page. It then opens the login page. Those who are registered first time for NPTEL courses must sign up using sign up now link. Else user can directly sign in using Microsoft account, Google account, or either by using Facebook account. Now I am registering for portal using sign up now link. We get a registration form wherein we have to enter the username, password, confirm new password and email address. For example, username Ruchita, username is your Ruchita Kale 13 or only Ruchita Kale. Password confirm new password, email address, done. After entering the detail, click on the send verification link, send verification code. Okay, you will receive a code on provided mail ID. You have to enter that code on the registration form page. Okay, my number is 319316. Okay. After the code verification, click on the create tab. It will create your account. It will create your account with the provided username and password by you. Now, complete the registration process for a course. Again, go on the web tab with the title upcoming. First, complete the registration process. Okay. First one is your name. Name is your Ruchita. Mobile number. Next one is your age. Country. India. Then profession as a faculty. Next, high qualification, master degree. Next, year of graduation, 2011. Next, the part of the Swayam Local chapter, no. Next is your state. State Maharashtra, City Amravati, College name PRMRTR Vidnara. Okay. Area Engineering, Department Computer Science and Engineering. Okay. Then I agree to the SWAM terms and services. Click on that. Then I agree to follow the honor code. Okay. Then click on save button. Okay. Your registration is confirmed. That's what. Thank you for registering the course. Now click on the Enroll Now tab for the course of your interest. Suppose I'm interested in I'm interested in big data computing. That's why I'm here enrolling for big data computing. Now click on Go to Course. Go to Course. This page contains the announcement tab, about the course, ask the question, progress and mentor. And left hand side of this page contains the course outline. The course content, course outline, course content and assignments. This is all about the registration of the NPTEL courses. Now we will go through the contents of ongoing or completed course page. I am taking the course page of compiler design course which I have completed in last session. Once the course starts, the lecture video, transcripts and assignment with due date are uploaded weekly. Are uploaded weekly. Once you click on a particular lecture, its page is displayed as can be seen here. Below the video, you can see the course content for the particular course. Course content of the particular. This is about the compiler design. That's our first topic is what is by compiler. The concept covered is what is a compiler. Next one, the assignment tab. Clicking on the assignment link for a week page is displayed as can be seen, which generally contain the multiple choice question with due date. With due date. On the same page, under the course outline, NPTEL provided the link to download the detailed solution of assignment, download the video lectures, and third one is your text transcript of the particular week week videos, along with it the link to attend the schedule live interact section is provided. This is all about the NPTEL registration, completed completed course history. After that, after this, you are going to know the importance of NPTEL certification, criteria for certification, and other aspect of NPTEL courses. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Professor Kalyani Deshmukh, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Engineering of Professor Ram Negi Institute of Technology and Research, Badnera. I welcome all of you for 1 week AICTE IST approved online short-term training program on tools and techniques for efficient and effective teaching learning. Today's topic of this video is NPTEL video platform. Professor R.A. Kare have already shared a knowledge about structure of NPTEL portal, how to register for the portal, login for the portal, how to opt for a new course and download the material from the course. Now let's see few more points about NPTEL. In this video, we are going to discuss about importance of NPTEL certification, duration of certification, rules and eligibility criteria for getting a certification, and level of certification. Like it is mentioned in earlier video, NPTEL is a massive open online course platform and a process for teaching through pre-recorded lectures, videos, notes, assignment, and quizzes. It also provides self-assessment in regular interval during learning. Now, the main question is who can opt for the certification and why? So the answer is very simple. Students from different streams, people who are looking for new jobs, employees who can go for the NPTEL certification. These courses enable students directly learn from faculties of IITs. It gives students an opportunity to explore new area of interest which are not possible in regular curriculum. This courses also brings out the self-learning initiative of the student. This certification also used in credit transfer to the university. As certificate issues the stamp of CCE, IIT, hence it adds value in the profile of the student while job seeking. Who are already employed at some organization can also use this platform for knowledge upgradation, which directly adds value while applying for appraisal. Next point of this video tutorial is duration of course. When you are opting for any course, another question is how to select a duration of course. So the answer is very simple. It is totally depend on one's choice and priorities. If you are a beginner and if you want to study any new concept, I would recommend you to opt for a 12-week and more duration course. If you have some priorities and some prior knowledge of any course, I would recommend you to join a course of 4 weeks or maximum 8 weeks duration. Now let's see what are the different options that we have for the duration of courses on a Swayam portal. The login process and accessing a course process you have already seen in earlier video. Now when we open a Swayam portal and log in to our account, let's open a Swayam portal. Now I have already logged into a Swayam portal. You can see number of filters available at the left hand side of the portal. So here we have a national coordinators. These are the technical bodies available throughout the national level. We have a course duration. Now these are the course durations available. So we have 4 week of course, 6 week of course, 8 weeks and so on up to 24 weeks of courses. So we also have a course examination date. So you just need to check the availability of the courses and the examination dates which are available and which are feasible to you. Again, we have a course credit. So if you want a courses which has a particular credit, if you are a student and if you want particular credits, you can select that option also. And a category. So category consists of all the different educational streams. Okay, so let's select engineering and technology, as I am a faculty of engineering and technology. Let's select course credit as yes, and course duration of 12 weeks. So here, after applying all the filters, you will get a sorted and filtered result here. So from all the options available, you can opt for any one course. For example, I have opted a artificial intelligence search methods. So this is a 12-week of course, and you can join the course. So how to join a course? This process is already explained by uh, Professor R.A. Kare in earlier video. So this is all about duration and how to opt for a new course. Once you apply for any course, there are few rules and eligibility criteria you need to complete to get a certificate of NPTEL course. While going through a course, SME, which is subject matter experts, a faculty from IIT or partner institute with input from industry, creates a recorded video content for the courses. The courses which are uploaded on your profile are free of cost, so you can easily study at any time. Per week, 3 hours of video content will get uploaded on the portal. There is a panel of teaching assistant who always available with you and support you for discussion on any kind of queries which occurs during the courses. Now to get a certificate, after completion of course, you will need to apply for a certification examination, which will be conducted at your nearby center, and a nominal examination fee is there, which is of rupees 1000. To complete a course and get a certification, you need to complete both assignment, which are uploaded while course content will get uploaded, and also you need to appear for the examination. The final score of the for the certification eligibility will be of 25% of assignment plus 75% of examination score. After successful completion of assignment as well as the examination, and after scoring greater than 40%, you will be eligible for the certification, and e-variable certificates are made available on your NPTEL account. You will not get a hard copy of your certificate. You will get only soft copy of your certificate. Now, let's see what are the different level of certifications that you can gain from the NPTEL portal. So there are basically 4 levels of certification. First level is if you score between 40% and 59%, you will get a certificate of successful completion. Then if you score between 60% and 74%, you will get a certificate of successful completion with elite written on it. If you get percentage between 75% and 89%, you will get a certificate consist of elite plus silver medal. Last level is the toughest level. If you score greater than or equals to 90%, you will get a certification on which there will be a written elite plus gold medal. Now, whatever is the criteria given here, it is basically a criteria to identify higher scorer in the examination. It is same as of division system in our university examination. These are the few sample templates which shows the difference between the certification at each and individual level. See the first template here. Here there is a written successful completion of course. No elite text written or any medal symbol is available here. So this indicates that you have scored between 40% to 59%. Okay. Now second certificate is there. It has elite written. So it indicates that you have scored between 60% to 74%. See another samples. Now here we have elite and as well as a silver medal available. So it indicates that you have scored 75% between scored 75% and 89%. And the last certificate is elite with gold medal. So it indicates that you have scored greater than or equals to 90%. So these are the sample certificates you can get after completion of NPTEL course and after successful completion of assignment and the examination. So this is all from my side. Hope you all have understood the importance of NPTEL, the criteria for getting the certificate and the level of certification. Thank you.